Hi friends, my name is Sushant Singha and today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 nuggets of knowledge to create that positive first impression. Whether you are a job seeker, a sales professional who want to convince a client, or somebody who would want to show their affection to a loved one, you would need that positive first impression. What are those 5 nuggets? The first one, eye contact. When you look into people's eyes when you're talking to them, they kind of look into your heart through your eyes. It builds trust. Number 2, smile. When you smile, you look confident. You look interested in them. Number 3, energy. How do you bring in that energy? With your facial expressions, with your tone and voice, and with your body language. Let your entire body and your face speak when you talk to them. Number 4, name. People value their name more than anything else in their lives. Remember their names and take their names during a conversation. How? Let's say you're talking to somebody known as Mr. Ravi Kumar Sharma. Depending on the situation, you could call them Ravi if they like it, or you could also call them Mr. Sharma or the entire name like Mr. Ravi Kumar Sharma. Number 5, my friends, question. This help you look interested in their lives, in their business. What kind of questions? You could ask them about their business. What do you do? You could ask them about their travel. Where do you travel for work? You could also ask them about their hobbies and interests. What do you like doing in your spare time? Don't get too personal though. But at the same time, people love to talk to those who are interested in them. So once again, the 5 nuggets of knowledge to create a positive, lasting first impression. Number 1, eye contact. Number 2, smile. Number 3, energy. Number 4, their name. And number 5, the question to know them more. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.